This video talks through accessing a list of receipts using the back office functionality. Go to the menu, select Customers, Receipts and Orders. Select View Receipts. This shows a list of batches that relate to this particular business based on the till that you're working on, or the store that the transaction was put through against. The two batches that show here highlight the difference between a closed batch. This has an opening time and a closing time, and an open current batch, which only has an opening time. To look through the receipts for the most recent open batch, click the View Journal link. This shows the most recent receipt from that batch. Use the arrows at the top of the page to move through the receipts for the batch. Use the Reprint a Receipt buttons to produce copy receipts as required. For a work order, it's also possible to email that A4 receipt. The batch will also show any X and Z reports. For example, clicking on a closed batch will show the Z report produced during the end of day procedure. Return to the previous tab listing the separate batches. Click on View All Entries to open a list of every single transaction that's gone through for that particular business. This enables a more generic search for a transaction based on the filters at the top of the page. Once the correct transaction has been found, clicking on View Receipt will produce a copy of the standard 40-column receipt. Clicking the Reprint button will print a copy of the receipt for that transaction.